Here's why most people can't use a welder outlet for NEMA 520 appliances. But first, let's talk about the two main welder outlets. The NEMA 1050 and NEMA 650 are the most common welder outlets. The NEMA 1050 is a 125/250 volt outlet with 2 hots and a neutral, whereas the NEMA 650 is a 250 volt outlet with 2 hots and a ground. The NEMA 520 is a lot different than both of these other configurations due to having 1 hot, 1 neutral, and 1 ground, and runs at 125 volts. In order for you to have any adapter for a standard household plug, it needs to have a few qualities. First, it needs to be compatible with 125 volts. In this case, only NEMA 1050 is compatible and NEMA 650 is not, so NEMA 650 is totally out of the picture. Second, the NEMA 520 needs to have wires connected to a hot, ground, and neutral, and here's where the NEMA 1050 falls short. But that doesn't mean you can't use a NEMA 1050 outlet. For NEMA 1050 outlets, there's an exception and a solution. At ACWORKS, we have an adapter that has an external grounding cable, making it compatible for standard household plugs or the NEMA 520. We have AD 1050 520 that has 1 outlet, and we also carry 1050 YCB 520 and 1050 Y 520-036 that offer 2 outlets. The 1050 YCB 520 has 20 amp breakers. There you have it. Like this video and subscribe for more power tips and explanations. Shop acworks.com for all your power needs.